Simple facial mask made from natural ingredients that will work wonders on your complexion. Before we begin, share your favorite recipe with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Baking soda and coconut oil are two natural ingredients that can permanently eliminate almost all your skin problems. In this video, we'll reveal the recipe for making a strong and effective facial mask. It will remove impurities from your skin like dust, dirt, or dead skin cells. Furthermore, it will help heal acne, redness, and even reduce visible scars. This mixture will also cleanse and shrink large pores, eliminating blackheads on your face. To make this natural mask, you will only need two ingredients: baking soda and coconut oil. Baking soda can maintain the healthy pH of your skin, rid it of acne, or other types of rashes. Coconut oil, on the other hand, heals, nourishes, moisturizes the skin, and also has strong antibacterial effects. It is currently one of the most popular and widely used natural skincare products. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. If you want the coconut oil to be solid, it needs to be stored at a temperature below 24 Celsius or 75 Fahrenheit. Follow these steps for making and applying the mask. 1. Place the individual ingredients in a small bowl and mix them well until a homogeneous paste is formed. 2. Gently apply the paste to your facial skin. 3. Let it sit for approximately 5 minutes. 4. At the end, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water while gently massaging your skin. 5. Dry your face with a cotton towel. After applying the mask, there is no need to apply any cream to your face, because coconut oil has already adequately hydrated it. Apply the mask as needed several times a week until problems such as acne or redness disappear. Share this advice with others as well. Thank you.